Hey guys, let's take a minute and talk about mastering passive income. Now, passive income to many seems like an elusive, impossible dream. But passive income is very real, very possible, and you can achieve passive income. Who am I? I'm Gregg. I'm with Vertical Vision 405, and my goal is to help you achieve financial freedom, find dream hustles that work for you, find the things that you enjoy doing. We all want to really have that freedom in our lives, and that's what I'm here for. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button so that you get great content when it's released, and so that I know that this content is helpful for you. All right, let's get into this mastering passive income. First of all, what is it and is it reality? Well, really, passive income is income that happens with minimal to no effort on your part. Now, the falsehood to that is pretty much any income source will disappear if it's not maintained in some way. So I don't buy into the idea that passive income is 100% passive and there's nothing you ever have to do again for it. Even with great investments, they have to be monitored so that they continue to grow and make you money. So passive income will, in my opinion, always need at least a little bit of monitoring and touching on occasion to make it continue to work. So, what is passive income then? Well, passive income is a way that you can make money by putting in most of the work on the front side, and then it continues to pay off on the back side with very minimal effort on your part. There are so many various types of passive income, so many ways that people haven't even thought of. So typically what you think of with passive income would be like affiliate marketing, which is a very real passive income. With affiliate marketing, wow, I stumbled on my words there. But with affiliate marketing, what people do is they create content like blogs or videos around certain topics, and then they include links to products to help with that. So let's say I'm a biking enthusiast and I love road bike trips or something like that. So I could write a blog post about the ultimate road bike trip and then include some information about some of the gear that I'm going to use on my long journey on a road bike trip. And I would get a commission for every product that is sold from that, people clicking through those links in that article. I could also include articles about like dirt biking and the top tools you need to be an excellent dirt bike person. Maybe I could do comparisons. Hey, I'm going to compare bike A and bike B, or the top 10 of something. That is how affiliate marketing typically works. Now, you could also do videos with links to products and recommendations for products. So affiliate marketing is great if you enjoy making content. That content can be blog form, it can be video form, it can be in many different formats. It can be on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, so many ways, but it includes links for people to purchase products and you make a commission off of the products that they purchase. So that is the most common passive income source. A second common, we're going to get to the non-common ones that you can really do. Not that you can't do affiliate marketing or this next one, but a lot of times we write them off as we can't do them. If you've written off affiliate marketing, rethink it, because you could write a blog, you could create content. The next one, drop shipping. We hear about drop shipping all the time. Basically, in its lightest format, what drop shipping is you create a website with products on it, but you don't actually carry any of the products. When somebody buys one of those products, your website automatically orders the product from somebody else and ships it. So you never touch the product. Your job is to create traffic to your website and compelling ways to have people buy those products. That is what drop shipping is. So typically you don't touch the product. You handle getting a customer, selling to that customer, and collecting the money from the customer. Then essentially you order the product from somebody else and have that person deliver the product. And that is drop shipping. Now let's get to some of the other forms of passive income. Really, anything that you can turn into a subscription-based service is passive income. One of the ways that I have done this is with websites. So customers have come to me for years needing websites, and websites can be very expensive and very pricey. So one day I decided to flip the script on this and change it to, instead of paying me upfront for your website, you can pay me a small fee monthly to build you a website now and then just maintain it forever. So month after month, my customers' credit cards are automatically charged for websites that I built years ago. And I do minimal maintenance on these websites to keep them up and running. And I can offer other services such as SEO or more in-depth updates to their websites, which could be done for an additional fee. But the general premise is they didn't pay upfront for the website. They now pay a small fee monthly for these websites. And I continue to just reap the rewards of having put in all the work on the front side of that. And now I collect the money over time. My pricing model there was set up so that after a period of time, I would then be on the profit side, making more than what I would have made had I just collected the money up front. There's many unique ways that you can do this subscription model. I was talking to an electrician the other day who really loves home automation systems, and that's what he really wants to get into. Well, we were talking through this, and I started talking to him about, can you make it a subscription? And then you'd have passive income. And we brainstormed for a little bit, and we realized everybody, or so many people, lots of people, would love to have home automation systems. But there's an upfront cost. He could sell home automation on a subscription service. So I come to your home, install the home automation, and then you pay me a monthly fee for the home automation. It works. The problem with that one, if we want to call it a problem, is he does have a very physical upfront cost. And if somebody cancels their subscription, he will need to determine whether or not he sells out the equipment that's already in the house or if he has to go collect the equipment out of the house. So there's that one with that. Office copiers are really, they call them leases, but that's passive income. They come put a copier in somebody's office and then they collect a monthly payment for the next who knows how many years, making bonkers money on copiers. So anything that you can turn into a subscription, be creative. Think about it. What can you turn into a subscription service? What do people want? Home decorating. People would love to have their houses decorated beautifully. Well, it could be a subscription on two different formats. One, I come decorate your home and then you pay me over time for that decoration that was done to your home. Or on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis or biannual basis, I will come update your home with the proper decor for the season. So I'll come every fall, winter, summer, spring, and update the decor in your home. So now that one's not completely passive because you do have to show up and do some work, but it's guaranteed recurring revenue for you, and you can schedule your time to where it fits best instead of waiting for that phone call. So think through different things that you do, different skill sets you have, different things that you normally could be paid for. How can you make that a subscription-based service? That is a passive income right there. It is an incredible way for you to make money in the long term. If you need any help figuring out how to master passive income, I would love to help you with that. There is a link down in the description where you can schedule 30 minutes with me absolutely free. I just love helping you. That's what I'm here for. So go ahead and click that link, schedule 30 minutes with me, and let's brainstorm passive income ideas that will work for you. But if you can master passive income, you will have more financial security than the person who's chasing new work every single day. I often refer to my income as I'm working on two different things. Some days or sometimes I'm working on today's money. That's money that I'm making right now to pay today's bills. Sometimes I'm working on future money. That means I'm working on projects that may not pay off today, but will have a future revenue source to them. More often than not, I strive to be working for future money. I'm willing to forego a little bit of money now so that I have payment over time. Because payment over time will have a much better return and help secure my future better than worrying about money today. So reshift your mindset to think about, how can I have future money? What can I do to generate future income? If we're constantly chasing today money, We will always be chasing today money because tomorrow will come and tomorrow will be today. So get out of the habit of chasing today money and start focusing on future money. Future money takes care of your future and sets you up for long-term success.